Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel guys, my name is Rupali. So in today's video, I'll be recreating this look of Kareena. This is from the song Tareefan from Veere Di Wedding. I will be doing a look inspired by Kareena from the song. I hope you will enjoy the video. Before moving on to the video, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please press the subscription tab and also the notification tab so that you always stay notified. So without further ado, let's get started. For my face today, I am gonna use Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel as a primer. If you guys are following me for a while now, you must be knowing this is my favorite primer. It helps keeping my face oil free and is very soothing. Next I am using Coloressence concealer stick to cover my dark spots and also to cover the dark circles under my eyes. For foundation today I am using Maybelline Fit foundation in the shade 128. We'll dot it over my entire face and neck and then we'll blend it with a beauty blender. Next I am contouring my face with the contour powder from AD's The Balm Story, contouring the usual areas, the hollows of my cheek, my jawline, my hairline, etc. As Kareena has much highlighting going on, I am using my Maybelline Fit concealer in the shade Sable to highlight the high points of my face. I will also be applying it over my eyelids to create a smooth base for my eyeshadow. Next, applying a loose powder so that my concealer does not start creasing. For doing my eyebrows today, I am using this shade from the Sivanna palette. And next with my mascara applicator, I am combing the eyebrows so that they stay intact. The eye makeup for this look is very simple. Just applying a brown transition color and giving a dip to my crease just like Kareena has and then smoothing it out. And then applying a shimmery shade onto the center part of the eyelid and will then smooth out all the harsh lines. I have done my eyeliner off camera and I have used Blue Heaven eyeliner today. I have just put out a small wing just like Kareena. Next for my lower lash line, I am using a black eyeshadow to create one more wing which is parallel to the upper one. To define both the wings, I am putting a little bit of shimmery shade in the middle. This gives a clear winged look. After dusting off the remaining loose powder, I will be using a compact. Today I am using Nelf USA Compact in the shade 02. Next, for my lower waterline, I am using my Mars White Kajal pencil, just like how Kareena has done. After curling my lashes, I am applying 2 coats of Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For my cheeks, I am using a light pink shade, just like how Kareena has. I just remembered that I forgot contouring my nose. Once I am done with that, I will be highlighting the high points of my cheek with the same shimmery champagne shade. Highlighting also my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. For my lips, I am using this beautiful shade from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Wine and Shine shade, and it matches perfectly with the one Kareena is wearing. So with this, I come to the end of this tutorial, and this is the final look that I got. I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also comment down below. Also follow me on my social media handles. The links will be given in the description box below. So that's all for today, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.